Hi, this is Mathew here. So I heard that it's not possible for you to really make so much money with just your WhatsApp and your phone. And this is coming from some people that I respect. And I was like, why would they say something like that? And if you think about it, this same person that is saying this thing, they want to sell their own course. They want to sell you, um, software. They want to sell you their course and what have you. But to be honest with you, right, I have benefited a lot from some of those people who say these things. But to think about it, that it's not possible to make money, a lot of money, so to say, with your WhatsApp is a lie. Like, I don't believe that. The reason that I started WhatsApp marketing was because I found out that in Nigeria, for instance, that a lot of people don't really have the time to learn how to, create email marketing, how to create landing pages, and so on and so forth. And then I found out also that even if they learn how to do this, they wouldn't have the money, the capital, enough capital to, start, paying for these email marketing softwares and landing pages and whatnot. So I then began to start selling affiliate marketing products with just my WhatsApp on my phone. And within 30 days, in less than 30 days actually, I was able to break the record. I made over 400,000 naira in less than 30 days. Now, there are students, people who began to now see the benefits of this WhatsApp marketing. People like Bruno. Bruno is now a sales guy on Twitter. He made millions, right, using his WhatsApp, and he got, a car from one of the leading affiliate marketing network in Nigeria called Espatnia. There's another guy called Caleb. He made millions of naira with his WhatsApp. Myself, I've made so much money with WhatsApp, right? Millions actually. So what am I trying to say? Now, WhatsApp is so powerful that it can help you build a one-on-one relationship with whosoever that you want to sell to. And that way, it reduces the barrier to purchase. People just think that when it comes to WhatsApp marketing, it's just limited to, the normal WhatsApp. But there are also other softwares, just like email marketing, where you can send broadcasts, you can schedule broadcasts, and you can do a lot of things using just WhatsApp marketing. And let me tell you that WhatsApp has helped a lot of Nigerians to make so much money. And I believe that WhatsApp can make you money. All right? So do not believe it when people say that, oh, WhatsApp, you cannot make so much money, or who do you see that make a living with WhatsApp? I made a living with WhatsApp. I'm still making a living. I still sell on WhatsApp. Yes, email marketing is great. Like, if you are a digital marketer and you don't do email marketing, it's just like you are robbing yourself of money. There's a research that for every $1 spent on email marketing, you make $42 in return. That is like 4,200 return on investment. But don't say because you don't want to do WhatsApp marketing, you don't say, oh, WhatsApp marketing doesn't make sense. How many people make a living with WhatsApp marketing? Guys, WhatsApp marketing is a great deal. And especially, like I said, all you need to do is set up that WhatsApp, right? Set up the WhatsApp and then use your phone. In fact, do you know that you don't necessarily even need a landing page to start making money online? Of course, in the future, you will need a landing page. By the time you start making money, invest more in tools, invest more in, in learning these tools as well, right? But in the beginning, you can start making money with, WhatsApp. And now, some people are like, oh, funnels. You can only make money using sales funnels. Yes, sales funnels are great. But do you know we also have what we call the WhatsApp marketing funnel, WhatsApp sales funnel. You can do You know, funnel isn't limited to just WhatsApp. It's just like, you know, when AI started coming, so many people think that nobody will ever compete with Google. And then they say, oh, Google is a great search engine and all of that. But today, there is ChatGPT, there is AI. How many people now go to Google to come and search any longer? Many people would search using their ChatGPT. Now, I'm not saying again that people are not searching on Google. I still search on Google just yesterday. But these things are complementary. Now, the best part is you can use WhatsApp marketing and email marketing with, Facebook ad and leverage it for your business. All right. So I just want to say it that WhatsApp marketing is a great deal. It can make you a lot of money. All right. If you know how to do that. All right. And that is why, guys, if you are interested in learning from the godfather of WhatsApp marketing, right? That is me. Yes, that is what people call me. All right. If you want to learn how you can use WhatsApp, just your WhatsApp and your phone to make so much money online, selling either your products, okay, because there's no way you can make money online without selling something. So you can either sell your own product, okay, either physical product or digital product. And if you don't have your own product or you don't know how to create one, right, I can teach you how to do that in my course. All right. And then apart from selling your own product, you can also sell other people's product, and that is what we call affiliate marketing. And I have outlined how you can do all of this in my course called WhatsApp Sales Blueprint. And this course has helped a lot of people to make millions online, right? And I'm going to lie to you that some people don't make money with it. Yeah, because it depends on the action that you take, right? And no course owner can come and vividly say that all the people that went through my course, even those people that are saying WhatsApp marketing is not making sense, nobody can say that all the people 100% that, enrolled in their course made, so much money, millions. There are some people that will not practicalize it. There are some people that will buy the course and will not even do anything about it, right? So, but I trust that if you are the kind of person who want to buy a course, take action, right? Then you should, click on the link somewhere above or below this video and buy the WhatsApp Sales Blueprint course. It's going to teach you how you can make money selling your own products or other people's products. And also there's something we call, the product that you can turn to your own. It's called PLR products, all right? These products, they're absolutely free. You just turn it to your own and you sell, and it is completely legal. All of these things I covered in my WhatsApp Sales Blueprint. So click on the link somewhere above or below this video right now and get the WhatsApp Sales Blueprint today. I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Till then, go and change somebody's life.